Happy Monday morning, people. So we're going to start on Unit 2 today. So if you'd like to open up our course site, Level 3 Health and Social Care BTEC subsidiary. If you scroll down, once you've opened it up, to Unit 2, which is Equality, Diversity and Rights in Health and Social Care, I need you to scroll down and do two things for me. Number one, open up this PDF of the specifications. Number two, scroll down till you find the one that says Unit 2 Learning Aims 1 and 2 and click View. Then you should have opened the specifications and also the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so firstly we'll go through this. So you need to have this open on your computer. I'm just going to go through the aim and purpose of this unit. It's so that you can understand what discriminatory practice means and different methods of combating this and promoting anti-discriminatory practice in all health and social care settings. The unit introduction can be found on your unit specifications, which I'm expecting you to read shortly. The next thing we're going to look at is the different learning aims. For this piece of work that you'll be doing towards the end of this week, we're going to be looking at Learning Aims 1 and Learning Aim 2. So you need to understand concepts of equality, diversity and rights in relation to health and social care. You also need to know what discriminatory practice are in health and social care. Now we get back to the unit specifications. So I'd like you to go back onto the unit specifications that you have opened. Skim read the first few pages just so that you can highlight any words that you're familiar with. Okay, and we can put those into our glossary of terms when I see you all this afternoon in class. So you need to read the first page, you need to read the second page, you need to read the third page, you need to have a look at the assessment and grading criteria and just have a little skim through. Once you've done this, come back to our shared PowerPoint on the site. Okay, this is Learning Outcome 1 that we're going to look at first. So you should have just read about this. So initially we've got benefits of diversity, terminology. These are the specific words and phrases used within equality and diversity and rights, the different settings, active promotion of equality and individual rights in health and social care settings, and individual rights. You need to familiarise yourself with all of these words and their meanings. Then we need to move on to what do we mean by equality. We are all individuals and we're all unique. So what is equality? Are we all the same? We have the same rights, and that's the thing that you need to remember. So everybody is an individual. But equality is about giving everybody the opportunity to education, to healthcare and welfare. So it's about everybody's rights to the same opportunities in life. In pairs, I would like you to spend 5 minutes, please, if you can, defining the word diversity. I don't want Google's definition. I would like your own definition. I would like you to write this down. Once you've written down your definition, please can you think of as many benefits as you can to having a society that is diverse. So here I've given an example of cultural enrichment. This could include different foods from around the world, which gives us a variety of dietary intake. We will be doing the feedback in class, and we will be putting them on here so that they will be on the site for you to find in the future. We will be also doing in class a poster about our discussion on diversity. Just so that you're prepared for class, could you please open up in Google Drive Docs a brand new presentation slide or a Google Doc itself, and can you name it Poster on Diversity Discussion, and then it's ready to go when we get to class. Okay, the next thing I need you to do is click on the link on slide 11 and watch the clip. It does go quite fast, so I suggest you have your notepad and pen ready, pause it when you need to, and write down the relevant information. I will be quizzing you on this when we get to class. Hello and welcome back. You should have watched the clip. This is about individual rights of people who use different services. So you need to think about all of the different services that are involved in health and social care. It's not just a nursery or a residential home. If you look at the list, there's a massive long list of all the different places and people of services. It's not inclusive, which means there are more to add. This is just to give you a general idea of the amount of services that are available and how many rights that might be included for people that use those services. Ultimately, these are the rights that we all should expect wherever we go for treatment or care. So the right not to be treated in an inhuman or degrading way. If you're not sure what these words mean, please look them up so you'll have your own definition, or add them to your list for our glossary of terms. The right to respect for private and family life, home and correspondence. If you're not sure what this means, I will go through it with you in class. The right to freedom or liberty. The right to a fair trial. The right not to be discriminated against, and the right to life. I'm going to leave it there because you should have enough to be getting on with for your time in the study centre, and I will see you after afternoon break. Hope you've enjoyed this fun little online lesson, and I'll see you soon.